Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 30th, 2020. The last Sudoku I will do is a tectonic. I've told you I will not do them all. In this additional there are 8 extra Sudokus. I have placed all the PDF files so you can solve them. If you have problems you can leave a comment. Maybe I will do the solution for you, but this one, the Tectonic one, the 3-star Sudoku, I will solve so you can watch, and this will be number 1828. Yes, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? I cannot see the single box. I see here a dual box, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark them, 1 and 2. Here a triple box with 1 digit filled in, the number 3, so this should be a 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. I see here also a triple box. The 2 is already filled in, so this should be the 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. No, we do not have a single box here. Wow. Alright. Here, quadra box. Alright. Let me think. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3 because we have a 3 in one of those 2. I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes, so I cannot place a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this area for the number 3 should be here. 2 boxes. That cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. Alright. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3. Wait. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Now I have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. So the 2 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them. 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them. 2 and the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. The other 2 should be the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 3 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them for you. 3 and a 5. 3. Oh, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Definitely a 3, so 2 boxes left here, the 2 and the 5, let me mark them. If I place a 2 here, then I cannot place a 2 in one of those two boxes. This box I can also not place a 2 there, so it's not the solution. So this cannot be a 2, this should be a 5, and this should be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 5. These two boxes cannot be a 4. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 and the 4 goes in these two boxes. Those two boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 5. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. And I have here 1 and a 2. That means I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. These two boxes cannot be a 1. Those two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes together as a pair here. Let me think. These two boxes, oh wait. These 3 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. That means that this box cannot be a 5. The 5 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place a 1 here, then I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 1 cannot be here. The 1 should be there. That means the 3 can also not be here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. And then I think this box should be a 1, because it cannot be a 2 or 4. We have a 2 and a 4 here, so this cannot be a 2 or 4, otherwise I cannot fill a 2 or 4 in these 2 boxes. So 2 and a 4 cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so 1 box for 1 digit left should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 1. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 digit left. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Yeah. Let me think. 2 boxes left here, the 2 and the 4. That means I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 3, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes as a pair in those 2 boxes. 2 and a 5. The other 2 should be the 1 and the 4. Let me mark them. 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. This box cannot be a 1 or 2 because we have a 1 and a 2 there. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5 because I need a 5 in one of those two boxes. So this cannot be a 5. So one digit left should be the 4. This is a quadra box. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 are allowed. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. 2. And this box 1 should be 3, 2 or 3, yes, 2 or 3, 3 or 5. Let me think. This box cannot be 3 or 4. We have a 3 and a 4 there. So the 3 goes in these two boxes. We already have a 4. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 3. So this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. So 2 boxes left, 5 and the 4. Let me mark them, 5 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 4, 2 and a 5. 1 and a 2. Oh, we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 5. 2 and a 5, alright. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 here. The other 2 numbers should be the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 2 because we have a 2. I need a 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 goes in those two boxes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 3. We have a 2 here. That means in one of those two boxes, this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 5. And this should be a 2. We have a 2 here. So this can be a 2 here in this box. So the 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 4. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. This 3 stars Tectonic. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Saturday. Have a nice day, and bye-bye for now.